welcome back. Thank you very much for watching my video again. Also, thank you very much for all the views of my last video. I'm really happy about that so many people watched it and gave me a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed the video, even it was quite long, but yeah, I wanted to give you as much as details as possible. But the fact it was so long, I decided maybe it's a better idea from now to start videos with a short range, like 10 minutes videos. I will make videos all about explaining different crypto stuff. So if you have any questions, any topics I should explain, I just do it in short videos now in 10 minutes. So as I did the video last time, I realized I got into the topic really, really deep and really fast. So I think that a lot of people maybe not familiar that much with the basics. So therefore, today I make a short video showing TradingView. TradingView is like the most basic instrument you will need for stocks, you will need for crypto, you will need for any other things you want to trade or you can buy on different exchanges. So therefore, this video is just 10 minutes about TradingView. I will explain it in a really, really rough overview, give you really quick first steps you can do, and already I give you a really nice indicator trick for long-term buying shares, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. If you not like the trading guy, if you want to invest for long-term, there's a first strategy I can give you. And even for trading and anything like that, you will need TradingView, because TradingView is also integrated in CryptoHopper and everywhere. It's just like where you can see what does the graph look like of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Apple share, and so on. So yeah, let's start from now. So I give it 10 minutes. At first, you will need to go to TradingView, create an account. I would recommend you to create an account. It's free. Of course, there's also payment method, but take the free one. You can make like a watch list. You can put in your favorite cryptocurrencies or shares you like to see daily or from time to time, and therefore just create an account. If you started for the first time, you will more like seeing this view. On the right side, you will have the watch list you can create for you. I have already some in here. I have like cryptocurrencies, and here's like shares, Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, everything like I have here on my watch list, S&P 500. So this is like a basic overview. I give you also a really quick understanding how to read the chart. So this is just really quick and really basic, but you will see if I explain it after that, you already know a lot of stuff. It's really much you know for now, and you will need for sure. So this is just like the basics. So what you can see here is a basic candle chart. A candle chart. What is a candle? A candle here explains is like the crypto moving in a specific time frame. Very important. Here on the left side you see the trading pair Bitcoin USDT, and here next to it is a time frame. So that means one candle represents 4 hours. So let's just put it on daily, because it's much easier to understand. So, and this is really easy, really, really easy. A green candle was a positive day, a red candle a negative day. And how to read that with the candlesticks. The candlesticks, it means we close the day here, we open it on that specific range here on the bottom. I will go more in. Yeah. And during the day, it were only growing up to here. And then you see a peak here. There's a small needle, let's say. And there was a peak during the day here, but it went down to the end of the day until here. So the full body of the candle is just like the start and the end. And here also the start and the end. This was a red one because we went down in this day, so it's a red candle. And the nails is just like there was a peak, but it went down again. And here as well, I hope you can see it good on the video. There was a really lowest, but it went up a bit again. But still, we were a minus day, so that's why it red. So basically, that's all you need to know about the candles. So pretty easy, right? Okay, if you understand this or just watch it again, this part, it's really simple to understand. So now I show you something more. Due to the fact this is a day candle, we can do following. You can put, like, this is one trick, like a moving average from the last candles. This is just like a calculated line which represents the line of the last candle. So, and for the number of the last candles, we put in, like, for example, let's say 50. So it's called an indicator, it's called EMA 50. It's just like a graphic calculation of the last days, which give you a better view. So let me show it to you. So this line, every point represents the last 50 from here to the last 50 candles and makes a line through this. It's pretty easy, right? So if we zoom out, we can really see it always looks at the last 50 candles, 50 candles, 50 candles, and so on. And if we make another one, like let's say a 180 candles, what do you think? It's more rough, right? Right. So as higher it is, as higher candles it looks at the same time, the more rough it goes. So, and therefore we have a really first indicator for crypto. So that means, for example, if we just looking at a cross, for example, let's say Bitcoin is not a good representation. I will go down on maybe 4 hours. If you want to trade Bitcoin in the shorter term, look, we say where these both are crossing, it's a good entry point. So basically, we would go in here, enter the trade, and get off when they cross again. Maybe also when you see it going maybe stronger down, you can, like, maybe if the when the candle is going above to the red line, to the 180, you can close already, because as soon as we cross this line here, it's pretty sure if we go in a bit more down, we're crossing soon. So, and this is quite easy. This is just the first indicator and just the first thing to trade on the longer term, because we have here looking at 3rd October until 18 November. So even this works for shares and everything. If we are going, for example, Amazon, just check that. We're zooming out a bit. Yeah, if you just went in here, maybe, probably, if you have seen this, you would have gone out. But here's just like a really strong thing where they both lines getting really far from each other. This is a really good indicator also to see when they're going far from each other, a good entry point. So yeah, that's pretty everything. So TradingView is like the basic instrument you first need to have or need to understand for general trading. And I'm checking here like every day, like how's the chart going. I can even put, like, for example, when we are here and I want to know when we are back on the 45,000, I can just easily, let me delete it. Yes, I can just say easily, make a right click. I have also the app on my phone, put an alarm. Then I say, okay, I want to know when is the 45,000 reached. So I create it, and therefore I will get an alarm notification, like a mail or like a push notification on my smartphone. So yeah, that's pretty it. I maybe will also show you another indicator, which is one of the most popular, so the RSI. This is a relative strength index. And this is also a pretty good one, which is almost everybody using who's familiar with TradingView. This is the next indicator. He's just showing you in a range between 70 and 30 when is a share or a crypto oversold and overbought. So that means, for example, you can see, let's put in the daily chart. can pretty good see on the longer term we have different dips. Let me show you on this time frame, like on the 30 minutes time frame, because if we want to trade and just taking smaller profits, for example, we will just looking for smaller time frames, because we just taking like I don't know, 1, 2, 3% profit. And here you always see when is the share oversold and overbought. So for example, here you would see, okay, the relative strength index is always oversold when it's under 30, a value under 30. So if we would have go into this trade because the RSI is saying it's oversold, it's a buy signal, we just going up and would have made at least 5% almost profit. Same goes in the other direction. If we're having like a peak here and we're seeing, okay, we are overbought, so the share will maybe just dropping really soon, we would have made, if you're just looking also into the RSI, because the RSI here is overbought and here oversold. Could also, if you're shorting, but I'm not personally shorting, but that would be also like 6%. So pretty easy, right? Yeah, so that's basically everything for now. Just a really short explanation. Maybe you can try it out by yourself with the RSI indicator or with the EMAs. They're pretty helpful, and you can also check like the EMA, the 180 and 50, looking also on a smaller time frame. For example, if you're going to using smaller time frames, I will just recommend you to use 515 or something like that, because this is much easier to handle in smaller time frames. But basically, yeah, that's it. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, just write in the comments or give me a thumb up if you like the video. You can also visit our website. I worked on it a bit today and yesterday, and yeah, we added some kind of a ticker here, and for my last video I explained also the market cap, so you can also now check the market caps on the website. So you can sort here by market caps, highest, and as I said, like we of course want you to use coins with higher market caps to be sure not getting dumped, and therefore you can check every market cap in the next live of 100 here. So yeah, enjoy that. We'll be happy maybe see you also on my Discord or my Telegram group, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.